In this video, I'm going to be showing you a very powerful OSINT tool that will reveal who is behind an email address and will show you on which websites an email address is registered on. So as an OSINT investigator, you'll often come across an email address and you would like to find out information about this email address, like who is behind this email address, where it's registered, etc. And I've covered multiple methods on how you can find someone's personal or business email address in the OSINT Mastery course. However, if you have someone's email address, this will open the door to a lot of information, because an email address might lead to finding someone's interests, their other email addresses, phone numbers, and sometimes physical addresses, and many more information. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you two methods to investigate an email address. The first one is by using the manual method, and the second one is by using an automated tool that will do everything for you and will give you information immediately. So let's get started.
Alright, so let's say that you are investigating this person's email address, and this could be a Hotmail email address, Gmail, Microsoft Outlook, whatever. But let's say that you want to search for this person's email address, see where it is registered, see who's connected or behind this email address, etc. So I'm going to be showing you the automatic method and the manual method, and we will start with the manual method because I'm going to be showing you how much time and effort you can save when using a certain tool. So I'm going to copy the email address like this and go to Have I Been Pwned, for example, add the email address, click on check, and I want to see whether it has been found in a data breach. And we can see that it was found in a Demand Science by Pure Incubation database and in Promo database. So we can obviously download all of these databases, search in them, find IP addresses, password, genders, email addresses, and much more. I'm going to cover this in my Leak Hunt OSINT course that is going to be released soon. I can also go to a website like Gravatar, for example, add the email address, click on check, and see whether it's associated with an account. And we can see that it is associated with a Gravatar account, and we can see the person's picture. We can also go to PayPal, for example, and add the email address in here, click on next, and since it's asking for the password, this means that the person has a PayPal account. So the person is registered on PayPal. We can also go to Amazon, for example, go to sign in, and then add the email address, click on continue, and you can see that it is asking for a password. So this means that the person is registered on Amazon. And you can obviously imagine how many websites that there are out there and how much time you need to put to find on which website an email address is registered on. So we can check Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, etc. But what I'm going to be showing you is something that's going to save you a lot of time and effort. And this is a tool that's called User Search that allows you to use many other modules or websites to search for a certain username, name, email, phone number, image, domain, URL, and many more. In our case, we are going to search for an email address. Since we have an email address, I'm going to be adding the email address, and then I can select the module that I would like to use. So we can see that there is a one by Predicta Search, by IntelliX, Dhashed if you want to search in leak databases, or Have I Been Pwned. So I'm going to select this module, which is by OSINT Industries, and then I'm going to add the email address and click on search. And this is going to search for this email address on hundreds of websites, and we'll get a lot of information. We can see right here that it has been found on Have I Been Pwned, and these are the leak databases: Fiverr, Spotify, Calendly, Twitter, Disney, Jotform, Apple, Gravatar, WordPress, Medium, Google Maps, Google Reads, and many more. So we can keep scrolling down, we might get more information. So let's see if it's still searching, and it is. So we might need to wait a little bit, and you can see the number of accounts that you were able to get. So you don't need to visit each website manually. All you have to do is just to use this website, add the email address, and get all the accounts that are associated with this person. We can also see the full name of the person, Zaid Sabih, for example. And in some cases, we can click on the profile, we can click on visit profile, and we will see their full profile. So as you can see, here we have all the information that are linked to this email address. We can obviously use the manual method if you want to dig more, for example, like check a leak databases and in certain public records, etc., which we will cover future on the channel. So make sure to subscribe, and if you have learned something new, don't forget to leave a like, and I'm gonna see you in a future video.